Daraz.pk. Wow, Daraz.pk is a shopping website in Pakistan. Whatever you go for something, international website, Amazon, Alibaba, AliExpress, Walmart, the number of websites, online shopping. And the number of people in Pakistan living is still, if you're not going online shopping, experience online shopping. Whatever your environment or area, it's not reachable there, let them to ask for demand for the area. And you can avail the online shopping and feedback them for right products and things will avail for you. When you ask for your retailer on online, its quality will be improved or not improved. You can judge yourself. But my experience of online shopping is wonderful. I buy many of things from online. So online shopping is very beneficial. Why you will travel to the 1,000 miles, 100 miles, or to buying the number of things? You have to just pay the delivery charges or free delivery. It's depend on product to product, on services. So avail these wonderful facilities. You are living in cities and other city, or you have to send to the other people's. Start your business, start or something, or helping the people. So create your shop or something new. You have to be a digital and be aware of how can you contribute in your society. Thank you.